Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorials of sell credit notes on return. So first need to install the app from app section. This is the application of sell credit note on return. Install it. Our application is successfully installed. Today I show you the functionality of sell credit notes on return module. This module helps to user can create a credit note from delivery order return. First of all, go to the sell module. First of all, create a sell order from here. Add products in sell order line. Save. Then confirm the sell order. Then after create an invoice for sell order and validate this invoice. Then after go to the sell order. Then go into the delivery order and click on return button for delivery return order. Here you can see the delivery for the sell order. Validate this delivery and here this is the delivery order is validated and click on return for the delivery return order. Then after the validate this delivery order return. Here you can see the button create credit notes. It is used for a create credit note for this sell order. Click on this button. Click on create button note. It will return a new draft credit note for return. This is the new draft credit return. This is the draft status. This is the credit note returns. Here you can see in the return order, you can see the smart button of credit notes. Here you can click, then show the credit notes of these sell orders. This is all about the sell credit note on return module. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.